it's been kind of a crazy 12 hours. I'm not sure what time it is. 13 hours. I got a phone call at 3 o'clock this morning that a vehicle had run through a stoplight or stop sign up into a driveway between a fence and another car, and completely creamed, corralled, whatever the word is, into my Terra motorhome. I don't have any video footage of it. The place where the motorhome was at has a security security camera setup, and I may be able to get some footage off of that. If I can, I'll add it in here, but for right now, all I have is 24 pictures, 23 pictures. So yeah, the Fleetwood Terra 31-foot motorhome, it's in pretty bad shape. I'm sure her truck is totaled. I don't know how she did it. It was a road that goes straight through, and then the road she was on dead-ended into the one road. She was on Tyler Road, and Childs Avenue is the one that she was supposed to stop at a stop sign and either go left or go right. She went right through that stop sign, up between a vehicle that was parked behind my motorhome and a fence, clipped the front end of that vehicle, and plowed into and moved my motorhome at least 12 feet to the right onto the owner's lawn, and I'd say at least a good 5 feet forward into a structure that was in front of the motorhome, broke the windshield, broke the front bumper. I don't know. I've been told the driver was drunk. I don't have any proof of that, but I'm going to put these 24 pictures in here so you can see. Anyway, I guess it's all up to the big guy and the 2 insurance companies right now. I've tried to contact the police department. I don't get an answer. So anyway, I'm going to post those pictures in here, and then I'll end this video. I'm not a happy girl. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the pictures. Bye.